The secret to shiny floors that no cleaning company will tell you. After this simple trick, your floor will look like it belongs in a 5-star hotel. It will shine so beautifully that you won't be able to take your eyes off it. Prepare a large bowl and pour in about 6 cups of warm water. Next, add a small amount of baking soda. Baking soda helps remove everyday dirt and greasy marks, which is why it is often used in homemade cleaning solutions. The next ingredient is a small amount of high-proof alcohol, which evaporates quickly and helps dissolve greasy residue left on durable surfaces. Now add a little vinegar. When combined with the baking soda, the mixture will start foaming intensely, so pour it in slowly and use a bowl that is large enough. The secret ingredient is fabric softener. Measure out 1 capful and add it to the floor cleaning water. It leaves a pleasant scent and may help reduce dust buildup. Mix everything thoroughly so all the ingredients combine well with the water. Next, dip a clean mop into the solution. Before you start cleaning, wring out the excess water very thoroughly so the mop is damp but not dripping. Now wipe the entire floor using smooth, steady movements, making sure to reach the corners and areas along the baseboards. Try not to leave excess water on the surface to avoid streaks and watermarks. After cleaning, allow the floor to dry completely and ventilate the room well for a while. Thorough cleaning and properly wringing out the mop will leave any floor clean, fresh, and free from unsightly watermarks. What I saw on my faucet really grossed me out. I'll show you a simple home trick that removes all that dirt without scrubbing. Take a zip-top bag, it fits perfectly over the faucet and won't leak. Place the bag directly over the faucet head. Next, get some vinegar. Vinegar dissolves limescale and removes deposits that build up inside the faucet. Pour it into the bag. Then add a small amount of baking soda. Just a little is enough. The mixture will start to fizz and bubble. The baking soda reacts with the vinegar and begins breaking down the built-up grime. Turn the water on briefly so the mixture reaches the inside of the aerator as well. Then tightly secure the bag around the faucet with a rubber band so nothing leaks out. The baking soda helps remove grease and stubborn residue. Now take some aluminum foil, tear off a piece, and wrap it around the bag. This helps keep the reaction going and boosts the cleaning effect. Wait a moment. After that, remove everything, and you'll see the dirt has started to dissolve. The faucet head is clean, unclogged, and works like new. It's the fastest and easiest way to get rid of dirt and limescale from a faucet. Remember to clean your faucet regularly. Pour a little olive oil on your faucet, and the limescale will slide right off, preventing new buildup for up to 4 weeks. This is a trick every homemaker should know. Limescale and residue on faucets or in the shower are a common problem, especially in areas with hard water. Hard water contains high amounts of minerals like calcium, magnesium, and iron, which settle on surfaces and create stubborn stains. That's why regular cleaning and proper care are so important. Before applying olive oil, wipe the faucet with a damp cloth. This step is essential, otherwise the oil won't work. Then dry it thoroughly with a towel. Now it's time for the olive oil. Don't pour it directly onto the faucet. Instead, use a piece of paper towel, put a small amount of olive oil on it, and rub it into the surface of the faucet, shower handle, or flush button. Keep rubbing until there's no greasy layer left. This way, water won't cling to the surface, and limescale, streaks, and residue won't return. With this method, your bathroom will stay shiny and spotless. Enjoy cleanliness and freshness for a long time. The yellow stains on the toilet seat will disappear within minutes. The toilet will be white again without using harmful detergents. Do you have such stains on the underside of the seat? Many people struggle to remove them. They form due to the deposition of urine and water droplets during flushing. Urine stains the seat, and the limescale formed by the water can initially be invisible, then gradually take on a slightly yellowish color. If you clean the toilet and seat with strong detergents, its surface may be damaged and more susceptible to various stains. But there's a trick to it. Just make a homemade paste. The stains and discolorations will vanish. The toilet will be white again. This method saves me in such situations. I don't have to replace the seat with a new one yet. Take baking soda and pour it into a container. Add some hydrogen peroxide to it, just enough to create a paste. Mix it. It's best to use an old toothbrush for this. It's perfect for applying this substance to stains. The baking soda and hydrogen peroxide paste should be thick enough to stick to the stains. Leave it on the toilet for about 10 minutes. During this time, the baking soda and hydrogen peroxide will dissolve the stains. Then just remove everything, wipe it with paper, and you're done. I learned the secret to perfectly shiny floors from a hotel housekeeper. Ever since then, the laminate in my house always looks like it's been polished. Grab your mop bucket and toss in a few ice cubes. The cold helps refresh the surface and makes cleaning easier later on. Now, for laundry pods. 4 is enough. Crush them in your hands. These little pods are packed with concentrated cleaning agents and are great at tackling buildup. Throw in some scent beads to fill the mix with a lasting, fresh aroma that stays in the room for a long time. Next, add a little laundry detergent. It cuts through grease, handles daily dirt great, and leaves the floor feeling smooth. Now, time for toilet disinfectant. It has strong cleaning power and refreshing properties, so it works on tougher grime and neutralizes odors. Pour hot water over everything so the ingredients blend well. Dunk the mop in, let it soak thoroughly, then wring it out really well. Now just mop the floor as usual. 0 streaks, 0 dull spots, just a clean, shiny finish like a professional cleaning job. Finally, pour the water down the toilet. That dirt just proves your floor has been deeply cleaned. Sprinkle and pour it on the bathroom floor. The dirt will be gone. All you need is a homemade mixture that works wonders on dirty tiles. It's made only with everyday household ingredients, and that's all it takes to create the perfect cleaner. Pour 2 teaspoons of laundry detergent into a bowl and add about 2 cups of boiling water. Stir until the detergent fully dissolves. Add about ½ cup of fabric softener, any scent you like. Then pour in 3 tablespoons of white vinegar. Finally, add 3 tablespoons of dish soap and about 4 cups of water. Mix everything thoroughly. Grab an empty bottle and pour this powerful, fresh-smelling cleaner into it, and you're good to go. When your floor is dirty, sprinkle some baking soda over it. Then pour the homemade cleaner right on top. The combination of baking soda and this solution will take care of all the grime. For tougher spots, scrub the floor with a broom or a brush. Then mop as usual. I promise, your floor will be cleaner than ever before.